I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Now, last week, Kramer was looking at basically innovations beyond tech. So here's what we're going to look at. Under Armour, Domino's Pizza, and Apple. Now, first is Under Armour. If you recall last week, Jim was talking about like they've got innovations in t-shirts and this and that. I mean, they're doing a lot of cool things. Definitely beyond the really, tidy shirts that nobody except professional athletes can wear without a great deal of embarrassment, including me. But anyway, look, so this stock rallied up to this last high here in November. It's now blown through it. That gives me a sense that this resistance level here, having been broken through, is now support on any pullback. So if Under Armour pulls back to this level, hey, be innovative yourself, buy the thing. Now, next is Domino's Pizza. Kramer thinks these guys, he had the CEO on last week. These guys are big innovators. I guess now you can even track the progress of your pizza being made. That doesn't exactly work for me. I just want to know what time the stupid thing's going to get here, but whatever. Bottom line is, this is a stock that had been in a volatility squeeze. Now, squeezes tend to lead to explosive moves. You can see that's exactly what we had here. So where do we do going forward? Well, going forward, I expect this to be a firm line in the sand by the bulls. Any move back to here, we should see buyers coming in. So what's this mean to us now? It means that your potential loss, buying at 37.85, down here at about 35.40, that's your potential loss on this trade if the stock does come all the way back down to test this level. I would just kind of stand aside, let the stock come in, and then buy it on any weakness. And I can't do one of these things on Monday without covering Apple because that's the one that everybody asks for. Bottom line is this, they're having their iPad release on March 7th. That is going to change the trend of this stock. There's no question about it. The only question in my mind is it going to juice the stock up even higher, or is the stock going to be in a big pullback? I tend to think that we'll kind of split the difference. I tend to think that maybe the stock kind of stays in a sideways range here. There's just too much demand for the stock. Away from the iPad, it's really just because of the low multiple. So any kind of a trading pullback is a pullback that a lot of folks are going to want to buy. I will be one of them, but I'm waiting until after that release. I'll buy the iPad as soon as they make it available. But as far as getting into the stock again, I've got some spreads on it, and that's all I've got on it. I'm waiting for my entry, and I will be a buyer. And here's the point. If I'm this way, I'm probably not the only guy that's this way, and that puts an underlying floor of demand on this stock. So I'll just leave you with this. Dude, buy it on dips. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com, take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to